Welcome back to the channel. In this video, viewers will learn how to transform a plain dated door into a custom showpiece using simple upgrades like paint, peel and stick trim, and faux panels. It's budget-friendly, renter-safe, and beginner-approved. The first step is surface prep. Start by cleaning the door with a degreaser or mild soap solution to remove dust and oils. If the surface is glossy, lightly sand it for better paint adhesion. Wipe clean and let it dry fully before continuing. Next, decide on the look. Common designs include square or rectangular panel layouts, vertical slats, or even geometric shapes. Use painter's tape to mock up the layout on the door for a visual preview. Measure carefully and mark level lines to keep things symmetrical. Peel and stick molding makes it easy to create dimensional panels without power tools or nails. Simply align each piece with your layout, peel the backing, and press firmly into place. For best results, start from the center and work outward to keep lines straight and balanced. If the door or trim is unfinished wood or MDF, apply primer before painting. Use painter's tape around the edges to protect hardware or adjacent surfaces. Then apply 2 coats of high-quality interior paint. A roller works best for flat areas, while a brush can get into the trim details. Neutrals create a timeless look, while bold colors can add personality and contrast. Choose a satin or semi-gloss finish for durability and easy cleaning. For the final touch, consider updating the hardware with a modern knob or handle. Decorative decals, numbers, or even a small nameplate can add extra charm and function. In just a few simple steps, a basic door has been completely reimagined. No power tools, no contractor, and no high price tag. Whether you're upgrading a rental, refreshing a kid's room, or adding flair to a hallway, this DIY makeover offers big style with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. For more renter-friendly upgrades and low-cost DIYs, don't forget to subscribe and check out the full makeover playlist. These kinds of DIY projects are something that you can do yourself. But remember that your local Door Renew crew can take care of it for you. Visit our website and find a location near you today.